Hi you guys, so it's the next day. I don't even remember the last thing that I vlogged yesterday. When you guys saw me last, I think I was leaving Walmart or something. But today is Monday and I almost don't even want to vlog because like I was telling you guys yesterday, I know I was telling you guys about my breakouts and my face is breaking out. So it wasn't this red earlier, kind of though, but I kind of messed with it so it's even more red. And my cheek over here is just so freaking red, and I don't understand how I got this yucky breakout on my face. They're going down. Like I haven't touched these. They're going away on their own, but I'm so light skinned that I get redness and scarring, and it's just so, it just makes me feel so insecure about my face, and that like that's the only thing that people are looking at. So I just feel like I'm not my best whenever my face is breaking out like this. Ooh, I'm like Casper. Anyways, so I've been like I washed my face and I did a mask treatment, and then I put on some tea tree oil toner, and then I also from the Body Shop, which I think I've talked about this on my channel also. Love that stuff. And then I put on a spot treatment from Neutrogena. My sister just came over and so she told me about it. But yeah, so I'm just hoping that it goes away because it just makes me insecure, like I said, and I just hate my face when it does this, especially because for so long my face was doing so good, and now it's just like, you know, not. But I'm about to go to the store because I forgot to get water yesterday, and so I need to get a pack of water really quick. Matter of fact, I need to call my husband right quick. Hold on, y'all. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I went to the Dollar General, which you guys know I talked about it before, how much I love Dollar General. So while I was there, I found the cutest little slides for my baby. So my baby is 2, you guys. So I don't like to pay more than, like, I'll do like $30, and that's even a lot because she's a toddler. She does not care that I buy her name brand shoes. She's gonna play regardless. She's gonna get in dirt and mud, water, whatever. So I don't like to spend too much money on her shoes unless it's like a pair that she wears like on family outings and stuff like that. You know, I don't discriminate. So I was at Dollar General and look at these. Hold on, you guys can't even get the full effect. All right, so it was so bright outside y'all couldn't even see, but look at these cute little slide-on shoes that she can wear like to daycare, and they were only, well, she gave them to me for $4 because I found them just sitting like on one of the aisles, and they didn't have a tag. As you can see, they don't have a tag. So oh my god, like they're so cute. Hey you guys, so once again, I feel like I'm always in the car when I vlog. I'm so sorry about that, but I really don't do anything and don't go anywhere much. But anyways, I just left my not my ortho appointment, but I had a regular dentist appointment, like a cleaning or whatever. And my teeth are looking so bomb. My dentist said that they are looking so good. I need to hurry up because school's about to let out in an hour, and I need to go run into Walmart and then get the kids and go home before traffic gets insane. Like, I really want to go home and take a nap, you know, while the kids are still in school, because technically I still have like 2.5 hours or an hour and a half. I have like an hour and a half before like my daughter's out of school. The babies don't have to be picked up from school till like 5:36. But I don't like to leave them there that long. And once I leave town, because I stay 3 miles out of like the inner city, once I leave, I don't like to go back. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to go to Walmart because I need to get some milk, some taco seasoning, because we're eating tacos for dinner tonight. Let me tell you guys, let me finish what I'm saying. Then I gotta tell you guys something. I just cannot keep my mind, can't get it together today. But yeah, so this morning, let me tell you guys what happened to me this morning. So I went to drop my kids off at school, and when I got to the daycare, my baby, I was dropping her off. When I got to the daycare, there was not that many cars there. There was nobody next to me on either side, so whatever. I went in, dropped her off, you know, and so when I was coming back out, tell me why it was 2 black cars, like mine and another one, but I just saw mine, what I thought was mine. So I go to open the door, and I'm like, first of all, when I walked up to the door, I seen like a Wi-Fi sticker, which mine does have it. Actually, no, it don't. But I do have Wi-Fi. But I saw the Wi-Fi sticker, so I was like, first of all, I was kind of confused at that because I was like, I have never noticed that before. And when I opened the door, y'all, it was a little white boy sitting in the passenger seat. I mean, he wasn't even little. He was like maybe a middle schooler, if not older. And he was just looking at me, and I was like, oh, I'm sorry. And then his mom was coming to her car too. And I was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. I said, I thought this was my car. And it was so embarrassing. But she was like, oh, you want to trade cars? And she had the exact same car as me, but just like an older version, but it was black. On the front of my car it says GMC, and hers, it's like the exact same car. And it was like so freaking crazy and awkward. And then another parent was pulling up, and he was laughing, and he was like, y'all got the same car. And I was just like, I'm so sorry. But the point of it, the thing I don't understand is like whenever, because Samaya, my oldest, she's 7, when I drop her off at school, she sits in the front so she can just hop out of the car. And she was sitting in the front, and hold on, y'all. She was sitting in the front, and my son was in the back. So she was looking out the window. I know she was. And I said, why didn't you roll the window down and say, Mom, or get my attention or something? This little girl gonna say, she was like, I was just in shock. I was like, really? You watching me open up another person's vehicle, and if any other time she'll let the window down, like if she sees her friend or something, she'll let the window down. I'm just like, girl. I said, oh, please don't tell me this is how the rest of my day is gonna go, because this is just too much. But let me run in here. Hey guys, so I'm back home, obviously, as you can see, and I totally forgot to show you guys. I just made some chocolate chip cookie dough from scratch. I threw my hair in a bun, and I need to take this makeup off because I look a mess. But anywho, I made some cookie dough that I had left over, and I normally roll it into like a log. So I'm just having it like this, and then whenever I'm ready to use it, I can.
Mama, can we make one?
I'm about to make you some tacos. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Mason Moorhead.
Mason Moorhead. How old are you?
4.
It starts with what?
M.
M. I'm about to make some tacos, so I need some red onion
And some sour.
No, some garlic. Yeah, I need some lime.
I thought you made sour.
Some garlic.
Okay.
I'm gonna chop up all
Okay,
this
Mama,
stuff.
go help.
And we're doing ground turkey tacos today, so I have a whole. How many pounds is this? I don't know. It's 3 pounds. So, whew, I have 3 pounds of ground turkey here. So we can make these tacos, y'all. And then let me clean up my mess.
So we go make tacos.
So we're gonna make tacos today.
And we go eat them.
Hey you guys. So I'm currently on my lunch break, and hold on, y'all. Y'all know the drill. Oh, it's hot. All right, so I'm on my lunch break, and I don't even remember the last thing that I vlogged. I think it was yesterday, but anyways, I'm on my lunch break, and I didn't bring anything for lunch today. Normally I bring something, you know, because I stay a little bit further from where I work now, so I don't like to go home and, you know, waste all of my time eating or whatever. So I didn't bring my lunch today, so I'll probably just run and grab something to kind of hold me over, because I get off at, what time do I get off? I get off at 3:30, so I might be okay. But anyways, today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, and I'm so excited because it's a 3-day weekend for Labor Day. What are y'all's plans before Labor Day. I don't really have any plans. I know Saturday I need to call my mom because she's coming up here. My mom and her husband. My sister, I doubt if she's coming, but we're doing like I don't know, we're gonna have some food because it's the very first game for Texas Longhorns. If you guys were watching my channel, then you know how big of Texas fans my household is. More so my husband, but you know, I'm repping for him too. So Longhorns all day. Yesterday I went and I got my teeth cleaned. I think I told you guys this in that. You guys might be seeing this twice. I don't remember telling you guys. I got my teeth all clean, and so I love getting my teeth clean because I just feel like so refreshed and renewed afterwards. You know what? I might just walk around Target because, yeah, I don't really want to go all the way home just for lunch. So I might just run in Target and maybe just get something, I don't know, from there because, like I said, I stayed it's not far, y'all. It takes like 20 minutes to get home though. So by the time I get home, get settled, grab something to eat, I have to leave. So I really just don't want to go all the way back out there. But yesterday I posted, if you're not following me on my Instagram, definitely follow my Instagram at Jasmine Marie. Jasmine Marie is my Facebook page. It's more so of like, I don't post too much makeup on there, but my Facebook is Jasmine Marie and my Instagram is at Mommy and Makeup. And yeah, I posted a new picture on there. I did the cloud eyeshadow makeup look last night, and it was okay. I was kind of nervous to post a picture because it's not the best, I don't think, but it was my first time, and I don't do stuff like that. I'm just like a plain old like neutral, a little bit of color, smoky sometimes, you know. But I did that and I tried it, and I'm glad I tried it. But finally it's not as broke out as it was, because like it was looking really bad the other day, y'all. But I'm also right in here, and I'll pick up the camera whenever I decide. Whatever I figure out I'm gonna do right now, I'll pick up the camera and take you guys with me. I do need a comforter for my bed. I kind of want something white, just like the hotel, like something like this, just simple, like, but I can decorate and add color to it. I also need a little table to put next to my couch that I have. I love this. It's so cute. Really want to try. Hey y'all, I just took my hair down because my head was hurting so bad from that bun. It was so tight. Look at my baby. Say hi. They haven't seen you in a few vlogs, in a vlog or two. Stop being retarded. Babe, rub my head, it's hurt.
Why does it look gloomy like that?
Because of the light. Down. I cooked some tacos last night, so, well, like, I made tacos yesterday. What? What, Lily? She don't sit up here. Yeah, I did tacos last night, so we have like leftover ground turkey. I showed you guys, I think.
Yeah, I got leftover meat though.
So we're gonna eat it again.
Yeah.
You need your hair washed. It's looking crazy. But anyways, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Say hi.
I get breakfast. I eat.
You got breakfast?
Yeah,
What
I
else?
like cookies.
I made cookies last night. I'm gonna make some more tonight probably. I have a whole bunch of dough left in the freezer.
Mama, macaroni, please.
Macaroni.
Yeah. Mama, chicken nuggets.
We're gonna eat tacos. You want tacos, rice and beans?
Yeah, but beans.
She's getting like a little bit more picky with food. She used to just eat anything. Now she's like more picky.
Guys, I eat tacos and
Rice
caco rice
and beans.
Beans rice.
Are you gonna eat your beans this time?
Yeah.
No, I doubt it.
No, I want my beans.
You want them?
No,
You don't want no beans?
no.
Okay. I didn't really eat today. When you guys saw me at Target, that's the only thing I ate was those hot Cheetos. And yeah, so I'm pretty hungry and tired. I'm tired. Like by 6 o'clock, it's over. I'm like so tired. But Mason's about to go. He's over there. Mason is about to go watch a football game with Dad. It's really gloomy in here because I don't have no lights on or anything right now, so hopefully you guys can see me, but yeah. Anyways, I'm about to make some food and I will talk to you guys later.